Ever feel like time just slips away? One minute it's January, the next it's December, and your goals? Still untouched. But what if I told you 25 could be different, your most productive year ever, all by mastering one thing, your time? Hey there, I'm Hamad Shah, and today I'm handing you the ultimate blueprint to take control of your time, your goals, and your life. No fluff, just stick-figure simple strategies that actually work. Let's make 25 the year you finally take charge. Think about this. Time is the one thing you can't earn more of. You get 86,400 seconds every day. That's it. You either use it or lose it. When you manage your time, you manage your life. No more scrambling, no more guilt, just control, peace, and progress. Before you can master your schedule, you need to know where you're headed. What do you want by the end of 25? A new job, better health, more family time? Clarity creates momentum. Write down 3-5 goals. These are your North Star. Time blocking is like giving your time a job. Instead of reacting all day, you own your schedule. Assign blocks for focused work, breaks, meals, exercise, even social time. Pro tip, treat each block like an appointment. Show up, no excuses. You're losing hours a day to sneaky time vampires, like constant notifications, mindless scrolling, or saying yes to everything. 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. Focus on what moves the needle, not what just keeps you busy. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Success isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things, consistently. Build morning and evening routines that keep you grounded and focused. Use the Pomodoro technique. Set 25-minute focus bursts, then short breaks. It keeps your energy sharp and distractions low. 25 doesn't have to be another year of burnout and overwhelm. It can be your most powerful year ever, if you take control of your time. Start small, stay consistent. Time is your tool, not your enemy. Use it wisely, and it will change your life. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your #1 goal for 25? And hey, grab the free Time Mastery Toolkit linked below. Let's go make this your best year yet.